So continuing on in edit mode, we will now be talking about toShape. toShape is basically the same as it is in object mode. However, in edit mode, it does have the added benefit of being able to work with a particular selection, which is something I do like and is one of the reasons why we have it in edit mode, similar to dice. To show this in action, we'll just bevel this edge, and we'll bevel this edge as well. And let's just snap our cursor here, and we'll Shift A, add a cube. And with our cube as our active selection, we'll just press Q and just set up a difference. And we'll just bevel this as well. And so with this area selected, we can press QOT and just set up a box. We can press F9 and actually change this to be something else like a cylinder. And I like actually changing this to be equalized by the radius only, and then adjusting the diameter to be something more reasonable while copying and pasting this to something else. More than likely in the future I'll be thinking about chaining these both together, since it's so odd to have them disconnected from each other. But just like that, I'm able to create a very quick shape in edit mode. Another type of shape that I like creating utilizing selection is a convex hole mesh, which at first glance looks like a slice. It almost looks like you get a slice back, and in a way that is what has been accomplished indirectly through this being added to hardops. So now I'm just grabbing this piece, making some adjustments, and we are able to just quickly just convert an edit mode difference into a slice just using toShape. So it definitely has its uses. I'm excited to show its applications with KitOps, as far as how you can just quickly just make toShape fit around anything and then turn that into a cutter mesh. But when it comes to edit mode, just know that you can just go to toShape and then just press F9 to go in and adjust these settings to be a myriad of different solutions based on what type of shape that you're actually needing for your needs. For example, I might want a plane, so I can go in edit mode, object mode, scale it up, put a solidify on it, move it back a little bit, hold Control and click to add another solidify, and then select both of them and perform a difference in order to just isolate this area, which is something I tend to do when I'm modeling. So just like that, toShape furthers its utility as far as what it offers to various users who put it to the test.